Is Assetto Corsa EVO crashing on startup and stopping you from hitting the track? Don't worry, I've got the best solutions to get you back in the driver's seat. Let's fix this together. Game crashes at startup are frustrating, but they're usually caused by software conflicts or outdated drivers. Let's resolve it step by step. Solution 1. Verify game files. The first thing to check is your game files. Corrupted or missing files can cause crashes. Here's how to verify them. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Assetto Corsa EVO and select Properties. Navigate to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and fix any file issues. After the process, try launching the game again. Solution 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of crashes. To update, visit your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest driver for your graphics card. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Once updated, relaunch the game to check if the issue is resolved. If that didn't work, don't worry, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. Solution 3. Disable overlays. Overlays from Steam, Discord, or other software can interfere with the game. Here's how to disable them. For Steam, go to Settings greater than in-game and uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. For Discord, go to Settings greater than overlay and toggle it off. Close other apps with overlays running in the background. This simple step can eliminate conflicts and prevent crashes. Solution 4. Run the game as administrator. Sometimes the game needs elevated permissions to run properly. Here's how to do it. Right-click on the Assetto Corsa EVO shortcut or .exe file. Select Run as Administrator. To make this permanent, go to Properties, navigate to the Compatibility tab, and enable Run this program as an administrator. Solution 5. Adjust graphics settings. High graphics settings can overload your system and cause crashes. Try this. Open the game and go to Settings. Lower the graphics quality and resolution. Enable windowed mode or lower advanced settings like shadows and anti-aliasing. These changes can significantly improve stability. Solution 6. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Outdated or corrupted DirectX and Visual C++ files can cause crashes. Here's how to reinstall them. Download the latest version of DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft's official website. Install them and restart your PC. Launch the game again to see if the issue is fixed. Solution 7. Reinstall the game if all else fails. Try reinstalling Assetto Corsa EVO. Uninstall the game from Steam. Delete any leftover files in the installation directory. Reinstall the game and launch it. This ensures you're starting fresh with no corrupted files. And that's it. These fixes should resolve the crashing issue for Assetto Corsa EVO on your PC. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Have another problem? Drop it in the comments and I'll cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching and enjoy the race.